So let's save videos on all social media platforms. Did you hear that? Have you been wondering to save videos on TikTok whereby the watermark of TikTok won't be in the video? Have you tried that? Have you saved a video on your YouTube? Have you saved a video from YouTube whereby the video doesn't save in YouTube? The video saves in your phone storage or your external storage. Have you tried that? Do you know something about it? Have you tried to download the video from Play Store then to get to your phone storage? So follow me as I keep you through. Let me go for my phone and let me start with the training. I'll teach you how to save a video onto your phone's memory for free. You don't need to pay anything for that. No, all you just need is a suitable internet connection, then you are done. Let me take you to my phone and let's go. Champions TV sharp.
I welcome everyone here to this channel, Champions TV GH. They respond home of creativity. Say it again, home of creativity. Hello everyone, I'll be teaching you how to save any social media video on your mobile phone. And this method I want to teach you is simple. You just need internet access to do this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, Champions TVGH, like the video and share the video for more. Let's begin. And note that you can save video from any social media handle. For instance, when you save the video from TikTok, it won't be as saving the video on TikTok. The watermark of TikTok won't be there. The video will be fresh as you are the one who made the video. So first of all, you launch your web browser. If you're using Android, you launch Google on Google Chrome. This is it here, Google Chrome. Yeah, or Funnel browser. I have Funnel browser here, or Opera Mini. Yeah. If you're using Apple, you can just type Safari. If you're using nothing phone, you can also use this app Bing. Yeah, so I will use Chrome for this one. So I've launched my web browser. First of all, you launch your web browser. So I'm using internet, so it may delay a while. Then the next step you are going to do is you type in the website address. Yeah, type in the website address. Me maximize my keyboard. Yeah, let me maximize my keyboard and let's move on. I'm coming. I don't know why this behaves very useless. I don't want to waste the time, so type in the website, which is I'm coming. Savefrom.net and click on enter mobile phone or computer. So we are waiting for it to load. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more. So you can see it here. Savefrom.net free online video downloader. And that must be who. Subscribe me for just give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and just learn more from me. So now this is the official homepage of Savefrom.net. But remember, you continue using the Chrome, but you can decide to download the app, which is also nice and it's going to help you. Now, what you're going to do is that the video that you want to download, you click on share, then you copy the video link. You see, so right now I've copied a link already, so just click on enter the URL. And so on. Okay, so I'll type on enter the URL. Then this is the link I copied. This is it. Is it? Then I'll let me scroll down for you so you can see notes. Click on the website name to see how to download and save files from here. That's what I'm doing. But in case you still don't understand, you can just maybe if you want to download YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram, Twitter, yeah, yeah. You see, we have TikTok.com, Vimeo.com, Dailymotion. Or you can download from all these sites, all these can download videos from there. And now, I've typed in my link, my URL, my uniform resource locator. So I'll click on next, then it will be processing. Please subscribe and comment how my teaching was. People have been saying I've been taking slow. Yeah, so I'm using Android, so you see save for Android, but if I use Apple, you see save from what? Apple. Let's wait for you to proceed. Okay, it's now out. You see, it didn't waste time. Yeah. Let me inform you, I'm using 5G network here. You can check at the top right corner here. My airplane mode is on. You can see it here. Yeah. I'm using 5G. You can check through my videos and see. How to use 5G. So let's continue. So this is the video I copied step by step but tutorial on how to design beautiful birthday flyer. Yeah. So now you just choose the pixel format, the storage format. So this is 720, this is 360. MP4 is video, so audio M4A. People call it as MP3. Yeah, MP3 audio to here. Audio Opus. I think Audio Opus is GIF. If I want high quality, so I'll use 720. See. Then this, it will redirect you for the first time. You see, so you just go back, just one click, go back for one click. Now you can see the download here. Click on download. Click on the download. To be downloading out there, so you get your video at this place. After downloading, come to your file manager or where your files are located. See, and mind you, I downloaded it on my SD card. So as it's loading, yeah, I'm using auto rotation, that's why it's making the phone to be small. So let me show you how you can find it. You open your file manager or storage here, then you come to recent here, then you check because the recent thing you got installed, or if you installed it on your SD card, you come to SD card here, you come to Android, you come to data, then after that you go to Chrome. If you use Chrome, then use Furnace. You go to Furnace. If you didn't use Furnace, you use Opera Mini. The web browser that you use is what you are going to click on here. So if you use Safari, come to com.apple.safari. You see. So now I use Chrome, so I come to Chrome, come to files. You see, download here. So the things I downloaded are here. You see. Let me see. If they also downloaded it on your phone storage, the same process, Android here, the same process, data, you can see here, Chrome. But I didn't download it here, so I'm not sure you'll find it here. So I just hope you like the video. We are here, Champions TVGH. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure some knew, I'm sure some really didn't know about it, and this feature I taught you is gonna help you very, very much. Please make sure you share this video to someone who doesn't know. Give me a thumbs up if you thought what I've done was so, and I need your comment as well to inspire me here. I need more of your comments. And lastly, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell whenever I upload a new video. Champions TVGH. Sharp.